All right, welcome back, YouTube. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, make sure that you share this video out with others so that they can get this same knowledge and they will be able to build and benefit. As always, please remember, don't sleep on the money. It's time to wake up and take the world by its horns. It's time for us to take advantage of the knowledge that is out there and build ourselves up. So, what are we talking about today? Today, we're talking about the U.S. Bank Alttitude Go Visa Secured Card, or as I call it, the Alttitude Secured Card. Now, this card is offered to you by U.S. Bank, and similar to U.S. Bank's other secured cards, it has no annual fee, as well as the ability for you to set your own limit by depositing a security deposit between $3,000 and $5,000. All right. Now, when you make the security deposit between $300 and $5,000, you'll be able to get this card, assuming that you meet their other credit requirements to open up the account, which would either be, of course, rebuilding your credit, new credit, or potentially you may want this card to build a relationship. Now, what other features does it have in common with U.S. Bank's other secured cards? All right, you can set your limit. Of course, we already talked about that. You're going to get rewarded for your daily purchases in the sense of you can use it like any other credit card, and therefore you can build your credit while you're using it. Now, with building your credit while you're using it, they're going to allow you to monitor your activity on your account, as well as they're going to offer you free credit monitoring to monitor your credit report every single month as you have this card. And eventually, you may be able to graduate to the U.S. Bank Alttitude Go Visa secured, or sorry, signature card instead of the secured card, and then your security deposit will be returned back to you. Now, what are some of the other things that this card has in common with the other secured cards offered by U.S. Bank? Of course, U.S. Bank offers you flexibility in choosing your payment due date, so you can actually change your payment due date at any time to a date that is going to be better for you. So maybe you prefer to pay at the end of the month or the beginning of the month. It'll be your choice, and you'll be able to call in and change that due date. Um, you also have the opportunity for zero fraud liability. Basically, if you swipe your card, or basically if someone steals your card, they can't swipe it and use it. Fraud protection. So if you have any weird transactions, they're going to notify you. If it's anything out of your ordinary transactions, this card offers auto pay, so you can set it up and have it automatically deducted. In that way, you don't have to worry about having late payments. You get 24/7 access with US Bank, meaning that you can log into the mobile banking app or the online banking offered through US Bank 24/7 at any time and access your account. You also have contactless payments, so you can just tap your card at places and pay. And as well as, of course, you can add this card to a wallet. Now, what makes this card stand out and so much different, and why I particularly like this card and think that this is one of the best secured cards out on the market right now? The reason being, it offers you the ability to earn points back. Now, points back I typically value at about 1 cent each, or 1% to every dollar. So this offers you 4 times points back on every dollar, or about 4 cents for every dollar, 4%, when you make purchases that are in the category of dining, takeout, or restaurant delivery. So that is Uber, that is DoorDash, that's, any of the takeout restaurants, Grubhub, fast food restaurants. If you go and dine in somewhere, anywhere you go to eat, where someone else is preparing the food, you're for the most part going to be able to use this card and get 4% back. You're also going to be able to get 2% back at grocery stores, grocery delivery, streaming services, gas stations, and EV charging stations. So that includes a lot of things. Your BP station or mobile or Wawa, Cumberland Farms, you're going to get 2% back. Streaming services, Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, any of those services, grocery delivery. So if you're getting Instacart or anything like that, you can use it then, as well as grocery stores, so Walmart, Publix, anything like that. And if you have an electric car and you use a charging station that charges you to charge, you can use it there and get 2% back as well, or 2 times the points back, as well as it offers you 1 times the point on any other purchase that doesn't fit into those categories. Now, another great thing about having this card is it allows you a $15 annual streaming credit. Meaning, if you have some type of streaming service, like we talked about Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, any of those services, you can use this card and get $15 every single year for free. So, with that being said, as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. And of course, we're going to see you guys in the next video.